Welcome to this tutorial brought to you by River City Graphics. Today I'm going to show you how you can smooth rotated or scaled images in Flash. So to get started, we're going to open up Flash. I'm going to create a new ActionScript 3 document. Then I'm going to go over to File, Import, Import to Library, and I'm going to grab this subscriber image I have. You may have seen it at the end of my videos. So now that I have that, it's over here in the library, and I'm just going to drag that out onto the stage. And once I have that, what I'm going to show you is you can see that this is a pretty decent image right here. Now, if I take and scale this up, I'm just going to hold Shift and just drag it up with the transform tool. You can see that it definitely loses some quality. Now, it loses more quality than if you would normally just scale the same image as something like Photoshop. And if I take and rotate this, you can see that it gets even worse. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Just grab the zoom tool, zoom in. Alright, you can see that it looks kind of rough around here. The lettering is definitely a lot worse off. It's just a little jagged and overall just not what you want. So the way that we can fix this is by applying smoothing to this image. So if we go over into our library, right click on our image, so I'm going to the sub.png, go down to properties. Then this dialog box comes up for the bitmap properties, and what you want to select is this allow smoothing box right here. If you click that on, you can see that it instantly changes the appearance of our image. Instantly becomes a lot more clear. So you just check that on, click OK, and I'm just going to zoom back out to 100%. And you can see the before and after there on that image. That's the jagged part, and it definitely becomes a lot more clear, a lot more smooth, something that you would want to use in your project versus something that you wouldn't. So when I first started out in Flash, I would move around images, or I'd scale them or rotate them, and it looked like crap, and I was frustrated because I just wanted to use those images. So I figured that I'd pass along the information on how to smooth your images so that you can use them and everything looks nice. Now, one more thing, if you're using images that aren't in the library, then you're going to probably be bringing them into a loader. So in the actions for that, what you're going to want to do is take and put in something, whatever your image is loaded in, whatever name you've assigned that. So I'm just going to put loaded image as like a example, and then you're going to put dot smoothing, and then space equals space true, semicolon. So you're going to want to make sure and apply that, and this is only if you're loading in an image through ActionScript. I just figured that I'd include that for those of you who are doing that rather than putting them in the library. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.